Hello everyone, I'm here Rani Subramanian. I once again welcome you all to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. So today I'm going to share with you business information related some tips. If you're really interested to start a clothing business, you have to focus on few points and you have to connect with the exclusive brand and with many more benefits. What all the benefits you have to see, and you can directly tie up and you can start your clothing business. So please watch this video and subscribe the channel for the regular updates, where the uploaded videos will be very helpful to you, where you can do 24/7 the online shopping. Friends, everyone is running behind to start their own business. Everyone is having an interest. Everyone is having a dream to start, right? But it's depend on the industry, what industry you're choosing. And if I talk about current market, everyone is interested to have a clothing business. And clothing business is such a business. Every day it's demanded in everyone's life. Nowadays the trend is updated with I need formal dresses, I need casual dresses, I need a party wear, I need a functional wear, etc., etc. So such collections in the textile clothing business, where you have a benefits, you have a profitable business, and you can tie up with a brand which is an exclusive brand where you can see a multiple benefits. If I talk about the benefits, and as well as if I talk about India, in India, Surat is one of the biggest textile hub. If you have a really time, you can take time and you can visit one Surat and you can see a textile market, how the hub looks, and many more brands you can see here. Thousands of brands over here, but you can also see how the cloths are getting manufactured and how the people business to business, where wholesale price you can buy at factory cost and you can start. And here the way the retailers having in this business profit, you can choose what segment you are choosing. And the points, as I said, how to tie up with a stable brand, you have to see the benefits. First I would like to say is connect with a brand which is exclusive brand, which I mean to say stable brand. KTC is a company. KTC is a brand textile manufacturers which is located at Surat City, Ring Road, which is a Millennium Textile Market Building 1, first floor, Ring Road. It's from railway station also you can visit. You can visit from airport also. If you are reaching from airport, it just takes 30 to 30 minutes. If you're coming from airport, it just takes 30 minutes. If you're coming from railway station, it just takes 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And it's one of the textile brand where giving you these stable services with multiple benefits and segments. So first point I said, like, you have to tie up with the brand stable at the market, from how many years and how long they are from the market and what all the services they're providing. Second point, if I talk about the segments, if I talk about the women apparels, you need sarees, you need kurtis, you need dress material, you need western wear, you have men's collections. If I talk about the clothing brand, you have all segments, even to kids collections, one place. So one place you can buy all the segments at factory cost. So this is the second point, all the segments are getting where I can do a shopping. Third point, I'm getting at the wholesale price where you can buy at the factory cost. It matters a lot, and you have to buy only at factory price where you can add up some margin and you can do your business. And fourth point, if I talk about the color chart, if I talk with color chart, any segment you take, whether it's a kurti or a ready-made suits, you have taking if you're taking a party wear saree, if you're taking a regular wear suits for the office wear, formal collections, casual, you need color chart. The manufacturers is providing you the color chart also, where you can easily sell your customers by showing the options. This is also a fourth point. If I talk about the fifth point, sizes, from kids to elder people, everyone needs small size to triple XL. What about the sizes? Depend on the kids collections, depend on the kurtis, ready-made suits, sarees with blouse. Many segments is having ready-made costumes. If you buy, we need a sizes is also must. The brand is giving you sizes, you have to see that point also. Fifth and sixth point, if I talk about the online purchase, I couldn't travel so far. Surat is long distance for me. I couldn't travel for 2 days. Depend on people how you are traveling from airport or traveling from train. It depends, right? So if you couldn't travel, visit purchase, you have an online purchase. You can do website, you have a social media, Instagram, live video calling purchase. We do provide you, and we have a no language barrier. If I talk about language barrier, we do have an online sales team where every languages they speak and coordinate with you. And even when you're visiting directly to shop, we do have a sales executives directly will communicate to you. Individual segment they take you, they will communicate you, they'll make you to understand the options, everything. So visit purchase is also there, online benefits is there. And sixth and seventh point, if I talk about, what about the safety and transportation? Even transport safely and securely entire India plus worldwide we do provide. If I talk about NRI services, we do provide the cargo services, we do have a sea services. And if you're from NRI, if you're from out of India, you can buy at Indian cost of money at least $100 or 80,000 to 50,000. You can start up and you can purchase. You can have an Indian clothing store at your country, and you can have a benefits and you can see the profit. Multiple benefits at one place, exclusive brand KTC is giving you. So hurry up if you're really interested. So these are the small tips which I've shared for you to start your clothing business. So if you really liked it, please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone, and you can directly try to visit once KTC. So for the regular videos and for the regular updates, you can keep watching this channel, subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Next video I'll come up with many more business informations and with the product videos. Keep watching, keep ordering, enjoy, take care, bye bye.